Good day and welcome back to Fundamental Kavar Budhwar. I am Narendra Solanki. Dear investors, after some bounce back from the lows in November, the markets have recently again lost some steam as we approach the end of the year, which is also a lean month due to long holidays across the Western world. If we see historical monthly return data of the past 10 years, December month has seen four negative flows while six positive flows. Coming to the domestic macro, India's mercantile trade deficit rose to 37.8 billion from 27.1 billion in September 24, while services trade surplus expanded to $18 billion. Gold imports reached an all-time high of $15 billion. Overall, the exports declined 5% while imports rose 5.3%, driven by surge in gold and oil purchases. With crude oil price easing, the growth in oil is expected to remain limited. India's wholesale WPI inflation eased to 1.9% in November 24 from 2.4% in October 24. The easing in the WPI was on account of cooling of food article prices, which slowed to 8.6% in November 24, down from 13.5% observed in the month before that. Coming to the consumer inflation, CPI eased to 5.5% in November 24 from 6.2% recorded in October 24. Core inflation eased from 10-month high to 3.9% in November 24, but continued at elevated levels as the inflation in services categories witnessed sequential rise. Food inflation, while moderates. Coming to the global front, the markets have stabilized after US elections and result seasons. And US economy continues to remain strong and resilient, but from the China front, it continues to remain a worry with doubts on its economic recovery impacting the investor sentiments globally. The geopolitical situation continues to remain volatile, and we expect uncertainties to continue until January, till the new administration in US takes over. Coming to the key economic events lined up this week are today, Eurozone CPI data is scheduled. US crude oil inventories data is scheduled. US Fed rate decision, which is a very important data point for the markets, is scheduled. Tomorrow, US GDP data is scheduled and US jobless claims data is scheduled. On Friday, US core PC index data is scheduled. Coming to the sector leadership on a rotational basis, sectors likely to lead or continue to remain strong are IT, banks, and financials. Sectors showing improvements and continue to show improvement for the next week are